right hand over your heart. Ready, begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
You may now be seated.
Sierra Vista. I am here with Alex and Miss Cummins, and you guys are gonna make
A jarski.
Say it again, slow.
A jarski.
And that is?
It's like a dough with cheese and egg, and then you eat it like you'd pull out a side of the dough, you mix up the egg and the cheese, and then you just eat it like that.
It's delicious.
Well, that sounds amazing. So how do we make this?
So you would first grab a piece of dough, and then you would flatten it out.
What's in your dough, Chef?
It's just flour. We have salt, sugar, and I think egg.
Sounds delicious.
Yeah.
Hey, Chef, you know what kind of dough gamers like?
No.
Nintendo. Chef, you know what we should do after this?
What?
Play tic-tac-toe. I am lucky enough to have Alex as one of my students this year, and last year I had his brother Michael in one of my classes. However, Michael did not share this cool baking talent that your family has.
What's the name of your bakery?
Anna's Armenian Bakery.
Oh, I've seen that before. I always wanted to try it.
How's that, Chef Moore?
That's actually perfect.
Okay, thank you.
I should fix it like this.
How long has your mom had the bakery?
It was a year on December 23rd.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. It was like a Christmas gift.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I definitely have to try that soon. Because I live close to it.
Do you want to give this a go?
No.
No?
I think I'll be okay.
Okay.
So the first one is done.
All right.
Alright, so we're gonna time it for 5 minutes because that's how long it takes to cook the dough and melt the cheese a bit. And then we'll take it out, crack the egg in it, and then we'll cook it for another 5 minutes.
Wow, this looks excellent.
Well, the yolk cracks. That's the point. He cracked it.
And that's how you make
A jar ski.